Hey guys, my name is Julian Tandler. I head up sales and business development at Ople. At Ople, we use AI to build AI. Simply put, our software models the elite skills, experience, and most importantly, the intuition of the world's top data scientists, putting into the hands of our customers a platform that enables them to build and deploy production-grade AI models in as few as minutes to hours, or maybe a day or two, depending on the complexity and the size of the data. So let's talk about a couple examples inside of insurance. Right now, we're working with a number of different companies. One of the carriers that we're working with is working on solving a particular challenge where they've hard-coded a number of different critical answers and information into their systems that their CSRs and all sorts of other people depend on. And it takes them over a year sometimes to upgrade those. They're using Ople now to develop dynamic AI models in a matter of days that are replacing those hard-coded solutions. So they're increasing their time to value in terms of delivering success to their customers internally. Another company we're working with is overloaded with leads. So they're trying to make sure that their salespeople are getting the right leads. The right salespeople are getting the right leads so that they can make more confident decisions about where they're going to invest their time. And lastly, we're working with a very large company that happens to be an insurance carrier, a broker, and also a consultant. And their consulting team came to us with an interesting problem. They have a lot of carriers that they serve that are looking for AI models, and they're trying to help them build them, but they're not able to deliver them at the speed that their demand is out there. So they're using Ople to accelerate access to AI within that industry. Let's take a look at how it works. So we're logging into the system here. This is supervised learning. This particular example is going to be a churn detection data set. We're going to upload our training set. We're then going to upload our validation set to make sure that we're not overfitting. We're then going to go to what's called our validation page. And this is where the data scientist or the OG actuary, the OG data scientists are able to verify, and they can make changes if they like to the data. At this point, they name the model. At this point, we're going to set the runtime to just 20 minutes. We want to test our hypothesis on our data, classification problem, accuracy is the metric, click optimize. End of human interaction with the product to build the model. We're now going to go take a look. You can see at the bottom here the model that's starting to build. Let's take a look at one that's already built. You'll see our proprietary method, behavioral assimilation, has brought in all of those publicly available algorithms. It's doing benchmarking. It's building hundreds and hundreds of different models. All the while, behavioral assimilation is acting like a data scientist and building the best model possible. It's deployed it here. You can access it via a RESTful API. You can test it, get a prediction. And then when you're ready to go, we give you the code that you can just plug into whatever environment you happen to be in. So now, I want you to just think about this. Now that you can build models in as little as minutes, hours, maybe a day or so, how does that change the way you look at AI inside of your business? How many more projects can you do? How can you compete better against the competition? We'd love to talk to you. We've got a booth out there. We'd love to give you a more in-depth demo. Thank you very much.